Hello Leos, welcome to your October 2021 readings. I hope you guys are doing great. Guys, this reading is going to be more about a general prediction, so take what resonates with you. Also, please check out other messages if you feel drawn to the title of any reading, as there might be some guidance for you. Okay, so let's get started and check out your messages. I'm first gonna pull out some oracle cards for you, and then we will go in the tarot. Okay, when I was channeling your energy, the message that I got was stand strong in your power. That's the first message that I got. And then I saw you as like the animal that showed up in my vision was polar bear. So, polar bear is also an animal that's survives in very extreme harsh conditions, and you as Leo, you are the king. There's a reason why you've been called as the king of the zodiac, as a father of the zodiac, I would say. So there's a reason, because you're very fearless, you're very strong, you operate from your heart, but with dignity and self-esteem and with power. It's not just a random person, so that energy is very royal, very respectable, very honorable, I would say, and that's the kind of energy that you need to operate this month. Also, there might be some new beginnings that are showing up in your life, and please be very mindful, because this month promises you instant manifestations. Okay, that's the kind of energy that I'm getting here. So be very mindful of what you're trying to manifest, because maybe you want something, and if you're thinking negatively, that something may manifest very soon. You might not be expecting it like that, but it can manifest very soon. So be very mindful of your thoughts. Okay, be in the positive mindset. If you feel like meditating, that would be beneficial for you. For some of you, you need to do a little bit of stretching exercises, some yoga postures that may provide you more strength and stability in your body and more flexibility in your body, because I feel like some of you are feeling very stiff in your body, especially your neck area and your legs. So there might be some cramps that you're feeling in your legs, and body stiffness, muscle stiffness. So it's important for you to stretch your body a little bit. Okay, now let's get started with your oracle card readings. Okay, I will take these two cards. The first one is illumination, the other one is freedom. When I see this card, I'm feeling more of the energy of that independence, self-reliance, being being capable of taking your own care. Okay, so that's the kind of energy I'm getting here. Also, despite being a part of a community, a circle, still not losing your individuality. So that's the kind of energy I'm getting from this card. And self-expression, the right to express yourself freely, I would say. That's the kind of energy I'm getting here. One card is the truth. Yes, you are a Leo. Okay, you are a Leo, you are strong, you can withstand any kind of extreme conditions, even the storm. Okay, so that's the energy that I'm getting here. That's why I said in the very beginning, you need to stand strong in your power. Value your own truth, speak your own truth. So this is the energy that I'm getting here. And here also, when I see this card, illumination, I see this as duality, as above so below. So there's reflection. The what you project out will be reflected back to you. So that's why I'm feeling the energy that you have to be very mindful of your thoughts, because this month is going to promise you your manifestations to be real fast. They will manifest very fast in your life, and I really want you to be very mindful of, be very cautious of your thoughts. Okay, what kind of thoughts you're thinking about, what kind of circle you're surrounding yourself with. Be very mindful of all those things. Okay, any kind of projections that you're taking, you have to be very careful with that. Okay, and there will be some truth regarding some matter. Maybe things were not clear in certain areas in your life, and now I think it will come to clarity. You will gain that clarity now. So let's pull out one more card for you actually. Okay, this card flew out, I will take it. Stand still. Here also is that reflection. So you are going through some sort of transformation, some chaos also, I would say, and you need to stand in the center of that storm, because at the center of the storm it's very quiet. Things may be very chaotic around you, but if you are standing strong in your own values, in your truth, knowing that this time will also pass, this too shall also pass, so you will come out of this as victorious. And I think that's the kind of energy that's been expected of you. You can withstand anything that's been thrown your way right now. You have the power. So yeah, this is the energy that I'm getting here. And let me see. So I think this is going to be a little bit of challenging month for you, and don't worry, it's just a month, nothing to be so worried about that. Okay, let me pull out some. Okay, take time to breathe out. That's why I said that you need to do some yoga exercises, some stretching, some pranayams that you need to do, and take some time off from any kind of chaos. If you're having any major conflicts and arguments with someone, take some time off, take a break from them, maybe 1 day, 2 day, maybe few hours. If you feel like that's enough, that's it. And hold your vision. When I see this freedom card, look from the higher perspective. Don't get sucked up by others' expectations and beliefs of you. Stand strong in your power. That's why I've been saying this again and again. I can't stress it enough, because these are the prominent messages that I'm getting for you. So I think this month is going to throw you a lot of challenges, but I think you will come out as victorious. This is also very true. So don't worry. I'm so sorry. Now let me pull out some more cards for you. Okay, I will take this one. Believe in the impossible. Yes. And when I see this card, no, if you can see, there's an image of a person. That's a very demonic kind of energy. So some people are definitely sending you some psychic attacks, some negative vibrations. You need to stand strong in that. You have to keep your willpower very strong. Okay, during this month, meditate, do some yoga. That will really help you to keep yourself protected. And yes, when I was pre-shuffling your cards, I also got the card of protection. So don't worry, no matter what somebody else is throwing towards you, you have a lot of protection. But you have to be very careful of your own thoughts. Make sure you're not standing in your own way. Okay, so that's the energy I have been feeling for you for this month. Let's pull out one more card. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Yes, you're almost coming out of that storm. You're almost coming out of that foggy environment. Now you are coming into that clarity. Whatever has been kept hidden and secret from you, now you're coming to the light. You're coming to the end of that tunnel. Okay, you can see the light now. All right, so that's the energy I'm seeing here. Let's pull out some tarot cards for you. really feel like, things will turn out in your favor. Let people do whatever they're doing. You just focus on your own work, your own goals, and dreams, your own vision. You just keep an eye on that, okay? And everything will fall into place for you. Let people do whatever they want to do. If they're trying to create any kind of blockages for you, any kind of struggles and challenges for you, that's their job. But just know that you have a lot of guidance and protection, and you will come out of that, okay? Let me see some tarot cards. Okay, this one, 8 of Cups. Yes, walk away from things that are not serving you, from people that are not serving you, that are pulling you down. So that's why I said that there are some challenges that are coming towards you. You have to leave them behind, okay? And the more you will stand in your own power, that it will not shake you, okay? There will be people who will throw some projections towards you. That's the energy that I'm getting here. So you have to walk away from that kind of company, that kind of circle, okay? And it's almost breaking dawn. That's why the end of a tough cycle approaches. It's almost breaking dawn. You're reaching that end of night. It's the light at the end of the tunnel. And if you can see these images, this card and that card, the water is not very clear. Some of you definitely have some throat chakra blockages, and see at the bottom of the deck we've got the Strength, because there is something that's very challenging for you for this month. So you have to be very courageous, very strong this month, okay? You have to tame those beasts. The more you will operate from your higher self, the more you will operate from top positivity, that will inspire others, and they will also lose their power in front of you. So let's see what messages come for you. Some of you are definitely having a lot of throat chakra blockages, because I see a lot of blues here. So please work on that. Express your thoughts freely. Be truthful in your self-expression. Honor your values. Honor your own truth, okay? Speak your mind. There's very shadiness around you, I would say. Unclear energies giving you mixed signals, one foot in, one foot out kind of energies. You have to keep those people at bay. Set some healthy boundaries. The Star. So there is that healing, there is that wish fulfillment, that manifestation. That's why I said be very watchful of your thoughts, because this time promises you instant manifestations. All these stars are your wishes that may come true very soon, very, very fast. You might not be expecting them, but they can come true very fast. They can manifest very fast. So be very mindful of that, okay? Seven of Pentacles. See how far you've come, how much work you've done on yourself. You're almost there. You've been doing a lot of work. You've been putting and nurturing yourself, your own values. You've been peeling all those false self layers, and now you're becoming more your authentic self. So you are peeling all those layers, and now it's time for you to start reaping those rewards. It's almost coming to you. You're almost there. It will start showing up very soon. The Sun, your own card. So yes, by the end of this month, I would say that you will become that your truest self. You will start expressing yourself as your truest self, and everything you're going through right now, it's just gonna pass. Okay. So you're entering into major cycles right now. So whatever transformations and ending of cycles that you're going through, just keep at it, and everything will get better very soon, probably by the end of this month. Okay. So these are the messages I have for you. If this reading resonated, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.